are today we are actually not playing something. You're probably like, why are we not playing something? It's because we're eating something. And you're like, bro, what's the eating something? We're eating. Oh, sorry, I already ripped it. It's this basically, and it's like I don't know, fruit rubbles. And I already ate my dinner. And yeah, let's get that. Make it new, so I don't spill nothing. It's not liquid, by the way. I don't know why I'm doing this. So yeah. Here it is. Let's try. Right? 3, 2, 1. Let's try. Wait, I forgot there's a wrapping around. So gotta do something. Rip. Don't worry, I'm gonna put it in the trash can. I think. Man, how's your day? Daddy? Can you lower it down? Daddy, can you lower it down?
What are you guys doing?
I'm recording a video.
My shit.
Anyways, probably do it down. And here it is. Come on, focus. Go, and let's take a bite. I almost broke my chin here with him. Let me try again. I didn't get it right. Same size of my arm. Pretty good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I used to try this. Pretty good. This is raspberry, the strawberry. There's blueberry, but I want to try raspberry. That is it only costs like what's this thing? I don't know how much it costs. I ripped it off. I think that's gonna be it. So I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe. or under it. And if you like, subscribe, subscribe, comment if you think it's good. I rated a 10 out of 10. It's pretty good. And I'll see you guys later.